going to show you how to fix a hoverboard that won't turn on. The problem for it not turning on is because the wire coming from the battery is like all tangled up, so the electricity can't get through it. So you just have to flip it over. Just flip it over and then get a Phillips screwdriver and just take the cover off, and then you just take this cover off, take this part off, only this part where the power switch is, because the battery's over there, and then straighten all of the wires, and then it should be fine. And if it's not, comment this video.